Start with the certainty, knowing. Just know that if you're spiritually oriented, you will make progress. Start, therefore, with a feeling of security, instead of insecurity or self-doubt. Tell yourself, anybody who wants to evolve spiritually will receive the necessary assistance, and success is guaranteed. Get rid of self-doubt, any idea that you're not worth it or you're not capable of it or that it's not the right time in your life. It's always the right time in your life. Accept without reservation that you are worthy of the quest. Be resolved to totally surrender to the truth about God. Surrender to the truth about God, and that your spiritual evolution is aligned with God's will for you. Resist. Start with a feeling of security instead of self-doubt. The facts that aren't to be unreservedly accepted are simple and very powerful. Surrendering to them brings about enormous spiritual progress and advancement. The living proof of God's love and will for you is the gift of your own existence. The fact that you are is the best evidence there is of God's love and will for you. Amen. Do not compare yourself with others regarding holiness, merit, goodness, deservingness, it's sinlessness. Do not compare yourself to others. What others are is irrelevant. What's important is what you are. Realize these are all human notions you have about being better, and God is not limited by human notions. Except that the concept of the fear of God is ignorance. God is peace and love and nothing else.